And you see how my passing game is just magnificent. And you see how my passing game is just magnificent. Uno fi thank me out here now. Uno fi thank me out here, man. Yes, man. Uno need to thank me. Look at that bumper. Look at that bunda. It is bundaricious. Not delicious, because we don't eat that type of stuff. It is bundaricious. Let's go. Vybz Kartel, Ishawna. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Ishawna look good, man. Ishawna, you look like you lost some weight. Ha, sing song. Okay. Sing pon the mic like sing pon it. You're welcome to join. Dancehall is back. I say dancehall is back. It is back. Dancehall is back in full effect. I like it. I like it. It is 10 out of 10 for me. Kartel. Them carrying. Hey, I'm good with my aiming too. Just saying. Now or never. Great production team. I love the videos Now or Never come out with. Song 10 out of 10. Bro, I'm gonna call some artists and tell them to put out some songs, some videos. Guys, right now, Kartel take off a whole fucking dancer scene, brother. Man, come out a show, keep the biggest stage show. Drop the baddest song them. Most views. And them shits ain't bought. Them shit real views. Since Kartel come out of jail, bro, a lot of man views gone down like tremendously. Nah, I gotta lie to you, bro. I have been watching. If you don't want me to prove it, me can show it. Just comment down below, let me know. But song 10 out of 10. Collab 10 out of 10. Ishawna did her thing. Ishawna, you're sexy like a Pepsi without the acid. You see me? You look like a Diet Coke Pepsi right now. The way you look neat and thing. You see me? Yeah. So me and somebody gonna argue later about them comments about, you know. So you gotta stay, that's it. But yeah, Ishawna, go and big up yourself. Kartel, big up yourself. You're bad, you're fuck. Youth, you're bad, you're fuck. Remember me tell her that, man. You're bad. Right now you're coming like AIDS or HIV or gonorrhea, syphilis or chlamydia, everything mixed up together in a one. You're bad, you know, youth. Yes, man.